शाम भी कोई जैसे है नदी, लहर लहर जैसे भी रही है. Hi guys, we are here to see the meteor shower Geminids. She shifted the camera sadly, but yeah. So we are here in doing adventure stuffs. We are right in the middle of the, ऊपर terrace के ऊपर we are here, and then to experience the stargazing and with the little chips and munchings. And so we are here doing the adventure stuffs, fully packed with every winter wears and everything. So enjoy. All that we have for the night is halke fulke ka salted potato chips, and then comes our hero, the mogu mogu lychee. So this is our personal favorite, and we thought we'll take it along with us. And so we have decided to do one more thing as well. So here's one more crazy stuff that we are gonna do. So this is the nail polish that we have decided to apply to our nails in the middle of the night.
Nail polish is meant to be applied on nails. You don't have to specifically mention to paint nails.
Exactly, but doing it in the middle of the night on top of the terrace is something crazy, and we are doing friendship goals. So I also recommend all of you guys to, do the same. Try to do the same. Experience it at least once. Word like that.
You remember that one video? That meme sticker that we
all you guys want to know what's the meaning of poker face, so it's right in front of you. So yeah, can we ask her to do it again so that we can see? Ready, 1 2 3. Can we know what is poker face? Guys, did you see the shift that she does in like seconds? So that's poker face for you guys. We have started munching. So we have just opened this halke fulke, and so this is a salted flavor, and it is also very very nice. So this is Saujanya, and this is me. So we are yeah, Vatsala. So we are here at Pep Talk doing all our fun stuffs. We are hoping to see the meteor shower between 12 to 3. Hope we are able to see it from Hyderabad here. The sky seems to be clear, and we are able to spot a lot of stars. So let's see if we can find the meteor, the shower. So let's see that. Started our munching, and now we are gonna have mugu mugu. So it's cheers from us to you guys. So how was the lychee?
It's reaching.
Yeah. We are able to see that. So this is how the current state is of the stars looking like. I feel this particular star is moving. So just tell me. And there's always that 3 stars which is online, on a straight line, which is always there. I've been seeing this since childhood. So just tell me how many of you have also seen this 3 stars. 12-1, and we are still waiting to spot something. And yeah, we are still waiting. Let's see if we can find something. Let's start. Then 1 2 3 and go. शाम भी कोई जैसे है नदी, लहर लहर जैसे भी रही है. कोई अनकही कोई अनसुनी बातें धीमी धीमी कर रही है. कहीं ना कहीं जागे हुए हैं कोई, कहीं ना कहीं खोए हुए से है मैं और तुम. बुम 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 पारा पारा है खामोश धुन. बुम 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 पारा पारा है मदहोश धुन. जो गुमसुम है ये फिजाएं, जो कहती सुनती है ये निहाएं. गुमसुम है ये फिजाएं है ना कि बुम 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 पारा पारा है खामोश दिल ये बुम 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 पारा पारा मदहोश दिल. Hi. We are not able to see anything apart from your eyes. So,
You want me to remove this?
no.
Don't
Look at her wearing a jacket which is looking like a shirt. Where do you find these kind of clothes?
You want me to give up an outfit breakup?
Yeah.
This is Alan Solly. This is DKNY. This I don't know. This is Michael Kors.
So. It is so good.
Keep on record mode. Even if I miss watching it,
Oh
I
shit.
can watch on your phone.
No, I saw it went push. It went like that.
It will go like that only.
Okay, good. We could spot one. That was magical. Nice. So nice. Sorry, I'm not irritating you.
I understand.
I definitely saw it. I know. I can't believe it myself right now. Papa served. Finger on the lips. Meteor ji, कहाँ हो? Okay, it's a proof. What you're saying? Dil ko churana. You sang second line first. कितना जाने जाना तुमसे तुमको है पता ना that is a year of flight. रो मैं गाऊंगी लिखूंगी तेरे लिए मैं क्या करूं.
I don't know, da. Maybe it is my illusion or something.
Okay.
When you are sitting, when you are singing, I felt something like this.
That is only
But I don't know if it is a meteor or.
That is only the meteor.
I was not sure, like what I saw was real or not.
Yeah, that
Maybe
is
it
the
is my illusion also.
No.
You
That
say
is
na
the
Helios.
That is the meteor. That's exactly the meteor. So you have also spotted one. Good.
No. Because it's unreal.
You are not a pair. This one, no? How do I say? Satisfied. Even if we see or not, that's okay, na? After this. It has taken almost half an hour for the third thing to be visible, right?
Yeah.
We saw it. At least we saw one together.
Yeah.
Nice. I hope this is captured. One more also went, na?
No.
That's my halo. Halo effect. Okay, we saw one.
Yay.
I hope the camera saw it too.
I hope so too.
I hope it is not switched off.
Like successfully spotting like 5 meteor move in just like seconds,
we thought we were satisfied, and the effort that we took was actually satisfied, and we thought, okay, it's time for us to say bye bye,
fell down.
because it started getting more cold and we started freezing. So I hope you guys know what the current temperature in different parts of India is. So it was around 1:30 to 2 a.m. that we decided to say bye bye.
You don't know what my
So I hope you guys like the video, and I hope you guys spotted the meteor with us. So it's bye from Vatsala signing out
no.
from Pep Talk.
Not that.
Like, subscribe, and share to almost most of the people around you, and tell me if you guys spotted meteor too.